You know guys, it's really hard to take these videos for you guys, but guess what, people watch this, so I gotta upload, you know. If we are lucky, you can see the landing gear opening on the A320. Shit man, it's really hot. Yeah, you can see the landing gear opening right now, the tires of the A320. It's really difficult, it's really far away right now. I'm barely keeping it still. It's coming in for its final approach again. My hands are shaking, oh my god. It's cold, so it's fine. I'm not sweating, but shit. Oh man, the focus. It's coming in. The A320. Today is the 3rd of November, if I'm not wrong. By the way, thank you guys for watching my videos on the Sukhoi 30 MKI. It stands on 54,000 views right now. Thank you so much, and enjoy this spectacular view of the A320. Coming in hot. My hands are freezing right now. Not because of the cold, but because I'm holding the tripod. I've been waiting here for an hour, by the way, for this A320 to arrive. There we go. A320, there we go. Oh my god, it's so hard to take this footage, man. Whew. Thank you guys so much for watching. Oh man, I'm tired. Thank you.